So how do we actually screen mirror or cast our MacBook here to our TCL Smart TV? Well, the first thing we need to do on our TCL TV is to go into apps. Here, as you can see, so go into apps, and then we need to get a specific app called AirScreen here, as you can see. So if you don't have AirScreen, make sure to just search for it in here if you have, or go straight to the Google Play Store if you want to as well. Then just search for AirScreen and get this specific app. And then I'm just gonna enter the app here real quick. Just gonna load. It's actually really good to be able to screen mirror from your iPhone as well if you would like to do so. I'm just gonna click on cancel here. So basically now when I'm on the app, you don't have to do anything else, by the way. You just have to go into your MacBook now and then click on this symbol right here. And then find screen mirroring. Then find your, it's called AS Smart TV here. It's gonna say something similar to you as well. So just click on it and then wait for it to connect. It's gonna take you a couple of seconds, a couple of minutes if you're really unlucky, to be honest. And then it's gonna ask you if you want to screen mirror the entire page or the entire screen if it's the first time. But you can see now it's working perfectly, and that is exactly how to actually do this.